My name is Paul Garner. I'm originally from Mandeville, Louisiana. I graduated from the Tulane Master of Finance program in 2008. I am currently a capital markets professional. Growing up in Louisiana, I always knew of Tulane to be an incredible school. I always wanted to be a Tulane student. By the senior year of undergraduate, I realized that capital markets was going to be my focus. And once I realized what the core curriculum, along with some of the electives, were over here, that became really, really appealing to me. To me, holding an MFIN degree comes down to one word: credibility. There are so many different things that could attribute to you getting the job that you want and going in the career path that you really like. The Tulane MFIN program has opened up so many different doors. In 2008, I was in the Darwin Fenner Student Managed Fund. We were tasked with developing a proprietary model for fundamental investing. We were actually investing real capital for the firm in the endowment. It allowed us to understand how to apply fundamental analysis in the world of totally dynamic changing markets. Tulane does a great job within the Freeman School of adapting their curriculum to changes in regulation and also changes in types of experiential learning. Freeman gave me more than a degree, it gave me a foundation. When I came in, I only knew about equities. I knew that I needed to develop my skills in other areas of the capital markets, and this program totally gave me that.